What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get a first look at the new Ferrari hybrid V6 prototype, but with almost all of its final production bodywork. Now, after many years of sightings of the test mules with very different configurations, a prototype of the Maranello-based company's new hybrid V6 engine model has finally been spotted. The strange camouflage Ferrari prototype starring in this new series of spy photos is a model we've been talking about for years and which until now had only been spotted in its initial format. Now, the countless hybrid test units based on the Ferrari 458 Italia and 488 GTB that we have seen over the last few years, that is no more. This represents something new. This is because it is the first time that the supercar of the prancing horse has been spotted with its definitive body. Now, at the moment, you can't really say that underneath the camouflage is the final production configuration of the Ferrari model. With all its elements and accessories, it's really hidden. And as you can see, numerous temporary elements and the camouflage layer itself hides many of the details of the future car for the company from Maranello. Now, obviously, it seems that there's no doubt it can be the real model. Provisional or not, this bodywork reveals a silhouette very typical of the mid-engine sports cars of the Prancing Horse Company, in which it can be inspired by the mid-engine V8 sports cars that were born with the arrival of the successor of the first Ferrari Dino, the Ferrari Range 308, which merged into the current F8 range. So now we are faced with the future successor of the current Ferrari F8 Tributo and Ferrari F8 Spider, which by all accounts received the project code F171. And is about to dispense with the 8-cylinder mechanics in favor for a new hybrid scheme based on a turbo V6, which will continue to be mounted behind the passenger compartment. Now, the arrival of this new engine was the reason why Maranello's house decided to launch the F8 Tributo, as the model is literally a tribute to the 8-cylinder engine. Now, as for the new prototype, although we cannot be sure of its appearance due to the large load of camouflage it carries, but it is clear that this vehicle is already facing its last test phases, and from its forms, you can assume that it will follow the same design line characteristics of the recent Ferrari SF90 Stradale and the Ferrari Roma. But with that said, what do you guys think about the first look of what can be the very end of this Ferrari prototype testing and what could be the production version of this new hybrid V6? Let me know down in the comments below. And with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the first engines of what could be the production model and production form of the new hybrid V6 Ferrari prototype. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple of extra dollars to the channel, help support your boy. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want to get tank tops, t-shirts, stickers, pillows, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rise. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Just see everything I'm posting Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.